how to make viral YouTube thumbnails using AI. So if you waste many hours in making just one thumbnail, still your CTR goes down. But if I tell you that with the help of AI, you can create many hours worth of thumbnails in just a few seconds, you can do that too, absolutely free of cost. So in this video, I will tell you how you can easily create professional thumbnails like Dhruv Rathi, Mr. Beast, horror, comedy, gaming, etc. with the help of AI. So for this, we will need two AI tools. So without any further ado, come to the Google and search for ChatGPT. You have to open ChatGPT. And first of all, we will do the breakdown of this thumbnail of Mr. Beast. For this, I have downloaded this thumbnail of Mr. Beast in full HD. Now, if you don't know how to download thumbnail, then guys, open a new tab on the Google and search in this box, YouTube thumbnail downloader, then any of the websites here, then you need to go on YouTube and copy the video link whose thumbnail you want to download. In my case, this video is there. I will simply copy the link and come back to the same website and paste the link here and see our thumbnail has come here. From here, you just have to download your thumbnail by clicking on Download HD. Once thumbnail is downloaded, then again, come back to the ChatGPT here. You have to upload your thumbnail by clicking on this image icon, and here you have to type, "Give me the prompt for this image." And in a short while, ChatGPT will generate a prompt and give it to you. Then now you have to select it and click on this. You have to copy the prompt. After that, open a new tab in your browser and search for ideogram.ai, and the Ideogram website will open in front of you. So here you have to click on the plus sign. Continue to Google once it is logged in successfully. Then you will see a dashboard like this here in this prompt box. I will paste our prompt, which we copied here. Now from here, you have to do some settings, like keep the magic prompt on auto and keep the ratio on 16:9. Then click on generate from above, and you can see your generated thumbnail after in just a few seconds. Yes, it has generated such nice thumbnails. It generates 4 thumbnails for you at a time. Click on the one you like and download it by clicking on download from here. If you don't like it at once, then you can also regenerate the same thumbnail by doing some settings in prompt. So guys, now we will break down this thumbnail of Dhruv Rathi. Now again, we will upload the image through the same process, and here we will type, "Give me the prompt for this image," and in no time, it will generate our prompt. We will select it and copy it, and then again, come to the ideogram. Okay, now you have, and paste your prompt here and click on generate from here. So now this has again given us a professional thumbnail. I have generated it and given it to you guys. I like this thumbnail very much, so I will download it from here. Similarly, guys, you can also generate any kind of thumbnail from here. Now, last but not the least, let's make my last video's thumbnail from here. Again, you have to open ChatGPT and upload my thumbnail and say, "Give me a prompt for this image." And here you can see our prompt. It's fully ready. Copy it from here and come back to the Ideogram website and paste it in the same box. Leave the settings the same as they are and click on generate. And here you can see he has made a thumbnail many times better than what was expected. From here, you can download any thumbnail you like by clicking on it. And guys, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel, Digital AI Dollars. Or if you want to earn money by making a kid's channel. So I have already told in this guide, so click left and watch the video completely. Or if you want to earn money in 2025, so click right and I will see you there. Bye.